like a blur, heart beating like a drum. Tonight we paint the streets till the morning sun. In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in.
Remember that every step you take brings you close to your goal, no matter how small. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way.
Don't forget to subscribe as I walk you through the process of lip syncing any avatar with the free AI tools. The tool that you're going to use is called Hedra Ai. Now sign up with your email account, but I've already signed up, and I'm going to click on the try better over here. Then you'll be directed to their dashboard. We can type in our script from this section, and also we can import our audio in this section over here. And at the same time, when it comes to the middle section, here we can drag and drop our image in this place, or upload our image in this place. And when it generates our video, it's going to appear in this section. When it comes to this down here, you can create an image using this prompt. As you can see that this is a prompt that is going to help us generate an image, and it will generate this image. And if you want to change it, you can click on this button here, then it will change the image for you. For me to test the lip syncing of this tool with my avatar, I'll go to my folder and I'll select my avatar image. I'll drag and drop it in this section over here. As you can see that it has been successfully been dropped over here. Now I'm going to drag my song over here, and I'll drag the song and paste it in this section, so that we are going to test the lip syncing of the avatar with the song and at the same time with a script. Now go to this section where generate audio. Then I'm going to type in something over here so that I will test the lip syncing of this with the script. So I typed in something over here, and we can test their voices that they are having already. They're having some AI voice that we can choose from, but they don't have much AI voices that we can choose from, but their voices are really realistic. You can select any voices of your choice from this section, and after, click on the generate button to generate the video with the script provided. Now when I scroll down below, you can see that it is queued over here. So it is going to take some time due to high demand of this tool over here, because it is free for everyone to use. Our video is ready, so let's watch it together.
Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a consistent character with free AI tools.
The lip syncing is very good. As you can see that it shows some kind of movements in the lips and at the same time to the head movements. It's very good and very amazing. Now we are going to test it with a song that I uploaded over. So let's go to the import section here. Then let's test the audio together.
City like a blur, heart beating like a drum. Tonight we paint the streets till the morning sun. Can't hold me down, gotta break these chains.
So we are going to let this avatar sing this song with the tool generating the song with avatar. So I'll click on the generate button, then I'll generate the video with this. So at the time of recording, this tool is free for everyone to use, and you can test it with your avatar with a lip syncing method that I'm showing you in this video. But the downside of this tool is that we have only this resolution. We don't have any other resolution with this, but I know that this tool will be improved in the future with different aspect resolutions. And also with this tool, I'm sure that definitely you'll be able to generate our AI music video with this tool with one click of a button, because this tool is having about higher percentage of lip syncing accuracy that we can all use to generate an AI video with this tool. The video has been generated, so let's go ahead and watch it together. We are going to test the lip syncing of this AI generated video that is using a song to generate a video for us.
City like a blur, heart beating like a drum. Tonight we paint the streets till the morning sun. Can't hold me down, gotta break the.
Wow guys, this tool is really amazing. It's like it's singing the song perfectly with the perfect lip sync that you are looking for. And if you want to download it, you can download it from this section here with the one click of a button. And as you can see that it is having some kind of small watermark over here. That is what I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark from this video. So head out over to this section over here. This platform is called Online Video Cutter. Then look for the remove logo and watermark. Here we are going to remove the watermark from the video. I downloaded my video already, so I'll go to my download section and I'll drag and drop the video into this section over here. And as you can see that this is the video on the timeline. Now we are going to remove the watermark from this tool. This tool is free for everyone to use, although it's not perfect, but we can use to remove the watermark from the video so that we can use our avatar in our YouTube videos. You can see that our video is on the timeline. So go to this section where that is remove logo, select on that, and then go back to the video and select the portion of the watermark. Make sure that it's covering the watermark, and after you go to apply, then you can see that the logo is gone, the watermark is gone. Now if you want to save it, go to the save, that is the left over here, then click on the export button. Then you'll be able to export your video to your computer for free. This tool is actually for free and anyone can use it. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit on the subscribe down button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next ones.